Alright, we're going to do STAR 2023 Algebra 1 Part 19 by Professor Alfredo Gil Olivares Jr. 11-11-22. Questions 3074 to 383. Alright, so anyway, if you need money right now for college, you can go here. In fact, they're open 24 hours. My Margie's, my Mexican Cafe. Yes, great boss, great work, great food. Lots of hours, lots of money. They need workers right now. But anyway, let's say you don't need this right now. Let's get out of here. You don't need this. So let's do 374. Graph the linear function with a 0 of -9 and a y-intercept of 4. 0 of -9 means you have the point -9, 0 on the graph. Y-intercept of 4 means you have the point 0, 4 on the graph. So we have these points right here. So what you're going to do is graph them, put them under. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. There's 1 point. And then 0 and out 4, there's another point. So we have 2 points. Connect the dots like that. That's it. We're done with that one. Okay. Again, once you finish studying for Algebra 1, go to Mustang Island somewhere, have fun. Remember, sharks want to swim with you. Alright, next one. Graph the linear function and find the range. Okay, so we're given the function and the domain. So now put f of 0 in there. So 2 times -2 times 0 is 0. 40 minus that is 40. Again, you can use the graph calculator if you want to. 40 minus 2 is 38. And 40 minus 4 is 36. 40 minus 6 is 34. And finally 40 minus 8, 32. So we got the points right there. So now at 0, it was what? 40? 0 up 40. 1 up 38. 2, 36. 3, 34. And 4, 32. There they are right there. Okay, so there's the points. So now we know what the function is, and we know what the domain is, and ask you, what is the range? And how do you find the range? Well, I'll tell you real quick. These are the pairs again, 0, 40, 138, 236, 3, 34, 4, 32. Now, the first numbers you see there, in the ordered pairs, is the domain of the function. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's what the domain is. Range, all the second numbers of the ordered pairs of this. So 40, 38, 36, 34, 32, 40, 38, 36, 34, 32. Those are the range of this. Okay? All right. What was the minimum wage per hour in the year 2018 in Texas? Alright, here's the formula. Given the formula. So find F of 2018. So 7 over 80, and we're going to put in for the X for 2018 right here in the function. So 2018, take parentheses off, minus that is 80. 80, so we have 7 over 80 times 80. 80 divides 80 one time, so 1 times 7 is 7. Bring the 0.25 down, so 7 plus this is going to give you, so F of 2018, the minimum wage in Texas was per hour $7.25. So minimum wage per hour in 2018 in Texas was $7.25 in 2018. The answer. Alright, find the slope of the line that passes through the 2 points. 1938, 0.25. In 2018, 7.25. Sounds like minimum wage, huh? Long time ago, today. So here's the slope formula. M equals y1, y2, x1, x2. That's the one I use. Put the numbers in there. The 0.25, the 7.25, 1938, the year, and 2018. Subtract those numbers. So we're going to get -7 over -80. So now guess what? -1 times 7, -1 times 80, the negative ones cancel out. So the slope is going to be what? 7 over 80. Okay? Think of it like this. Minimum wage, yes, in 1938, it was 25 cents an hour. In 2018, it's a lot more. Now it's 7.25 an hour. Okay? That's 2 points. The slope. Alright. Graph the quadratic function f of x equals x plus 6 squared with a domain of all real numbers less than 6, -6, less than -6. Can't be exactly, it has to be less than that. So let's put numbers in there. F of -9, put it in there. You're going to work it out either the long way or calculator. And then we get out F of -9 is a 9. Put F of -8 in there, same thing. This is going to be -2, -2, -2 is F of -8 is 4. And F of -7 is a 1. And F of -6 is a 0. Okay, again, you can use this if you need to. Use your graphing calculator. Okay, if you don't need to use it, that's fine. So now we do have points. We have -9, 9, -8, 4, -7, 1, -6, and 0. And this is an open. This can be open point right here, open circle. Okay, so let's graph it. Ready? So graph the quadratic function f of x equals x plus 6 squared with the domain of all the numbers less than -6. So put the numbers in. -9 up 9, -8 up 4, -7 up 1, and at -6 it's 0, but it's open. See right here? Open, going this way. It's the parabola going this way, but we're going to cut it off right here. It's going to go that way. Got it? Or you can use your graphing calculator, of course. Graph Aiden's $100 million Texas home if its value increases 10% per year. Alright, so $100 million, that's what it's worth. F of 0 right now, that's what it is. Again, put it in the calculator, graphing calculator. So F of 3 is going to give you what? $133 million. F of 6 is going to be $177.16 million. And I'm rounding up the numbers. F of 9 is 235.79. F of 12 is 313.84. F of 15 years later is going to be what? 417.72 million. Okay, there's a table right there. So now we need to graph this. Let's graph Aiden's $100 million Texas home if its value increases 10% per year. See what it looks like. There it is. So we're going to graph Aiden's $100 million Texas home if its value increases 10% per year. You can use graphing calculator, or let's put the points we found. At 0, it's 100 million. At 3, it's 133. 6 is 177. At 9 is 235.79. And at 12, it was 313. And finally, at 15, it's a $417.72 million home. Gets good profit for Aiden, huh? I think it's a good deal. Yeah, it's a good deal. All right, let's do this one. Graph. Oh, no, factor. Okay, we have to factor this. All right, so let's see. 8x squared minus 50. Well, I can take a 2 out. Factor I greatest common factor is 2. So 2 times 4 is 8x squared. 2 times -25 is -50. Now, this right here looks like this formula here. A squared minus b squared. Difference of squares. So let's do that. A plus ba minus b. Set it up. So 2x squared. 2x on 2x is 4x squared. 5 times 5 is 25. So it fits the formula. So this is going to be 2 times what? 2x plus a 5 and 2x minus 5. So this formula here, use it. It's going to be 2 times 2x plus 5, 2x minus 5. So this is the answer. 2 times parentheses, 2x plus 5, parentheses, 2x minus 5. That's it. Factor. We factored it. Solve the linear equation. Okay. So I guess first thing we're going to do is multiply this 10 times this number and 10 times that number. Okay, just the parentheses first. So now we have, okay, what is this called? Let me write this down just in case. Order operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. I don't know. Parentheses, exponent, multiply, divide. That's ugly M. There you go. Better. Kind of. So now we have this expression right here. So now I'm going to subtract 100 from both sides. These are gone. So 0.95x equals 0.90x plus this. Minus 0.90x. Minus 0.90x. These are gone. So 0.05x equals 800 divided by 0.05. 0.05. These are gone. So the answer is going to be what? 1,000. No, 16,000. Okay. And remember, sharks. Sleep at night. Uh-oh, sorry. Sleep at night. So don't worry about it. Go sleep in it. Go swim at night. You'll be safe. Okay? Sharks won't bite you. At night, they're sleeping. Alright, go next one. Graph the quadratic function and find the domain and range, x and y intercepts and vertex. Oh, a lot of stuff. It's okay. Let's find it. So, again, here's a function. We can put it the long way. Put a -1 in there. -1 plus 1 is 0. 0 times that, 0. Put a 0 in there. Put a 0 plus 1 is 1 times -5 is -5. Again, we can do all these the long way, which is what I'm doing right here. 2 and 1 is 3. 3 times -3, -9. And then 5 and 5. So we're going to get 6 times 0, 0. So we have points. Or use your, what? Yes, you can use a graphing calculator, of course. Alright, so now you have a table We're ready. Let's graph it. And we have graph the quadratic function and find the domain range x, y, and z vertex. Alright, so we can use the graphing calculator, set it up like this. But we know the point's going to be there. So from there we can get it. Let's go to the other part. So here we go. So the domain is all real numbers. The range is all real numbers greater than or equal to -9. See that negative right here? So domain goes this way. Range goes right there, up. Right there, up. This is the vertex. It's also a minimum point right there. X-intercepts there. X-intercepts right there. And then Y-intercept is right here. 0, -5. So -1, 0, 5, 0. X-intercepts. 0, -5, Y-intercept. And then goes like this. Okay? And again, sharks like snacks. Any kind of snack. Give them any snack you want. They'll eat it. Graph the linear equation. Okay. Y equals 3/2 x plus 2. And domain is x greater than or equal to 0. Okay, there's a restriction on it. So, put a 0 in there. 3/2 of 0 is 0. 0 plus 2, 2. Done. This one. Put 3/2 of 10. Well, 2 divides 10, 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 and 2 is 17. So, we have 0, 2, 10, 17. Those 2 points, those panes right there. So now 0 and 2 right here. That's where we started right here. 0, 2, and then the other one's what? 10 and 17 all the way up to 17. So we'll start right here and go that way. Okay, see that? From there, that way. All right. Oh, well, I guess we're done with that, huh? Wow. Oh, of course. After you finish, what are you gonna do? Go to Mustang Island, Padre Island, somewhere. Go swimming, have fun out there surfing. Or got us cash, good credit cards. Go to Hawaii, the big waves, 40-foot waves out there, North Shore or somewhere. Have fun out there. Okay, yeah, they might bring us, but it doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. Monsters, nah, they don't scare us anymore. We know Algebra 1 stuff. We're good. We're good. Oh, these guys are still kind of scary. But Algebra 1 was more scary before. How about these guys? Oh, more of these guys? Nah, they're still scary. They're still scary. How about these guys? Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Just like the one we saw. So what would be more scary than those 7 guys? Holy cow. A giant crunchy one? That's a little bit scary. But Algebra 1 was more scary. How about 2 crunchies? Crunchy 2 and Crunchy 3. Oh, those are scary too, huh? Anyway, not as scary. Algebra 1 used to be more scary. Nah, not anymore. Anyway, good luck. This is Professor Alfredo Galvez. Professor Alfredo Galvez saying, good luck, good luck, good luck. Again, this is Professor Alfredo Galvez. Good luck in your Algebra 1.